All eyes on Hurricane Michael in the Gulf of Mexico. This will be impacting Florida and some of the surrounding areas in the southeast and mid-Atlantic states now for the next couple of days. Already getting damage reports in from Destin, Florida. Tree down there. Some very strong winds helping to bring in a pretty nasty storm surge as well. We could be looking at 9 to 13-foot storm surge amounts across the Florida Panhandle. And again, Michael will likely be the strongest hurricane to ever impact the Florida Panhandle in recorded history. So very well eye there. And of course, the winds now up to 150 miles per hour, not too far away from Category 5 strength. But this is going to be making landfall at the Panhandle again as we take you through the afternoon. And then pretty quickly moves inland. And by Thursday night, it'll be sitting over North Carolina. This is, of course, where Hurricane Florence was in place a few weeks ago. So they'll be dealing with more in the way of rainfall. But then by Saturday, I'll wait out into the north central Atlantic. Hurricane warnings continue, as well as tropical storm warnings all the way up into the Carolinas. So this is going to be leaving a path of destruction in terms of winds, some heavy rain and flood potential. And of course, right along the coast is where we expect to see the worst of the damage and, of course, the storm surge and flooding. And keep in mind that 88% of all hurricane-related fatalities are due to water, either being flooding and or the storm surge. So keep that in mind. As I mentioned, this will be impacting the Florida coastline today and those inland spots through Alabama, Georgia, and back into the Carolinas over the next 48 hours or so. And then by Friday, it'll be moving quickly off to the east. There's your heavy rainfall potential, 6 to 10+ inch tallies. Can't rule out some 1-foot tallies either, but the amount of rain should be lightening up as we head into the Carolinas there by Thursday. And we're also going to be watching this wave of energy, a moderate chance of tropical formation over the next 5 days, and Sergio in the eastern Pacific to bring heavy rain to the southern U.S. as we approach the weekend as well. We'll keep you up to date.